inches, here they come.
Canary Island date palms planted here in my yard. These are the parent plants to the seeds that I collected last August 2021. Also known as a pineapple palm, as you can tell how the base can be trimmed to resemble a pineapple. This is a test plant here beside that red flag, so I don't step on it or mow it. But that is a Canary Island date palm that I'm testing to see if it can make it through the winter here in Orange Beach, Alabama. October the 20th, 2022, and going to give you an update on my Canary Island date palms. These are a few of the date palms that I have left from last year. I actually collected these seeds from a couple of mature trees in my front yard on August the 16th, 2021. They actually germinated on August the 28th, 2021, and actually had sprouts coming out by September the 7th, 2021. As you can see, some of these are doing a little better than others. These are Canary Island date palms. And you can see how the leaves are starting to branch and break apart. I have all of these in pots here in my greenhouse. I do have one plant that I planted in the front yard that was with this batch. I'm going to see how it does handling the temperatures and weather changes to see if they're strong enough to actually handle an Orange Beach fall and winter. If you look real closely, you can see where this one's starting to send out some shoots for some blossoms. This one may actually put out seeds again this year.